Chapter 8. Animals and their Friends. It is said that man is a social animal. This means that human beings like to live together with their family and neighbors. This gives them a feeling of security and belongingness. Similarly, many animals also like to live in groups. This makes them feel safer. Together they can fight the enemy and protect their young ones. Some animals live in groups because it is easier for them to move from one place to another in search of food. Have you seen a buffalo sitting in a field and a crow pecking at its ear? The crow keeps on eating at the tiny insects hiding around its ears. This helps both the buffalo from insect bite and crow in having a nice meal of insects. In extremely cold regions, some animals cuddle together to keep themselves warm. For example, in the Antarctic region, penguins cuddle together to keep themselves and their babies warm. Wolves, foxes, and jackals live in groups called packs and hunt together. Lions live in groups called prides, and elephants move in groups called herds. Monkeys also live in groups and their group is called a troop. Similarly, zebras, giraffes, wild horses, deer, etc. move in herds in search of food and for safety. Shy animals. Some animals are friendly while some are shy. A friendly animal is one which lets you come near it and accepts a pat or food from you. They readily accept food from you. Cats, dogs, hens, pigeons, goats, cows, buffaloes are friendly animals. Dolphins also become friendly with human beings very easily and entertain them by showing tricks in water. Animals which are friendly and are not shy of human beings are kept as pets or domestic animals. Do you know a dog can play with its master with a ball or sticks? Some animals are shy by nature. Generally, wild animals are shy of human beings as they are not familiar with them. They may harm human beings. Animals like lizard, squirrel, rabbit, or rat run away if you go near them. But sometimes even domestic animals become shy and develop a fear of human beings if they have ever been teased or ill-treated by someone. We should never tease animals. We should not harm or hurt them in any way. We should love them and take care of them. Big ears, small ears. Just like us, animals also hear with the help of ears. Some animals have big ears, and some have small ears. You must have seen animals or their pictures having ears of different sizes and shapes. Some animals do not have external ears that can be seen. The birds do not have external ears, but they have two holes in their head through which they can hear even distant sounds. A polar bear also does not have external ears, but has small nubs. Some animals do not have ears at all. For example, snakes and lizards. They sense the presence of other creatures around them by feeling the vibrations on the ground. Do you know? A snake sways the music played by the snake charmer. Actually, the snake cannot hear the music. It only follows the movement of the charmer's flute bean. Body coats of animals. Different animals have different body coverings. Some animals like camel, deer, and zebra, which live in hot areas, have very little hair on their body. Some animals live in extremely cold regions. They have a layer of thick hair on their body. This keeps them warm. Yak and polar bear are examples of such animals. Some animals like fish, chameleon, snake, crocodile, and lizard have scales on their body. Birds have feathers on their body. Do you know the number and species of many aquatic water animals are decreasing due to the pollution of water bodies. Thus, we have learned that some animals have common features which differ from other animals. Flower visitors. Honeybees sit on sweet-smelling flowers which produce a sweet liquid called nectar. The bees suck the nectar from these flowers and gather it on their hind legs. They carry the nectar to their home, which is called a beehive. A beehive has many six-sided chambers in which the honeybees store the nectar. Those chambers are called honeycombs. In these chambers, the nectar gets converted into honey after some days. It is difficult to extract honey from the beehive. If we go near the beehive, the bees may attack us and sting us. So, honey is collected from the beehive by lighting a fire under it. The heat and the smoke drives the honeybees out of the beehive. Then, the honey can be easily taken out from the beehive.